we were talking about making that ponytail. I've made the ponytail. It doesn't have to be particularly neat right now because what I could do is I can always hide the little pieces or any bumps that I have with pins. So I'm going to go ahead and proceed to take a piece of hair, and I'm going to take it like this. If you can use a curling iron and maybe some rollers to give it a bump, because you need these bumps, you need that body for you to create a form, to create a loop. You're going to take it in like that, and by taking and rolling your fingers this way to create a loop or a curl. So you see I'm doing that now. You can do that and just place it where you want it, like that. Okay. Place that and clip again. That's one loop. I can neaten it up later on with the hairspray, but what I'm trying to create is just pieces all over the place, just big chunky pieces to create loops. Okay, again I'm going to flat iron that hair, and I'm going to turn it inward